How to disable widgets in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to Digi Live Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable widgets in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump right into it. So let's start the video. On your system, left click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window click on Personalization tab in the left side panel. Now, scroll down and click on Taskbar. A new window will appear. Here you can see Widgets option, to disable widgets in Windows 11. Simply move the toggle switch to off position. This is how you can simply disable widgets in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.